Hey guys, 2006 here. We're playing some Battlefield. Just turn up the volume and let's do this. Let's just get right into it. What the? Let's do this. Yeah, pro skills. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go, bros. A lagging? Q. Okay, so right this game I'm gonna only be using a sniper kit. Ooh, swerve, 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 swerve. Ow, ow. Okay, swerve. Oh jeez, moving car. Who cares about you? Okay, let's one over there. There's a tank over there. Come here. Dang it, I'm the worst shot ever. Oh my god. Going for it. Wait, anyone else open? The helicopters, okay. I knew I was gonna miss that one. I'm just pointing that out now. Okay, let's do this. It's been the Hunger Games. The Hunger Games. I hit him. Yeah, one kill. Dang. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I only got an ever one kill with pistol. Many tank kills with C4. Give me that back. I don't have unlimited. Thank you. Okay, let's do this. To win the hungers. To win the battle. You might have won the battle, but you haven't won the war. The famous quote from, I don't know. Let's see if I can get a quick scope in this game. Nope, not a body. Oh, friend, he's in there. Hey, come back here! Jeez. Ready, set, run! I lived. Okay, let's just go down the ground. Hey, friend. Come in. Wait, I'm driving? I have to? Are you making me? Okay, as the worst driver in the world, let's go to that place. Pardon me, mister. Totally not my fault. Oh, hey, friend. I feel like dying. Dang it, I missed. So close. So far. I gotta go to the bathroom. Way too lazy. Let's do this. Show you guys my pro skills and driving a helicopter. Where's my squad? Only one person. Cool. Okay, where should we go? Let's go. Ooh, I'm jittering, jottering. Turbulence, pull up. Let's keep going. Wait. Turbulence. I'm jittering. Yeah, there's a guy down there. Bail! Oh, boss. I'm lagging. Come back here. Dang it. Mr. Wiener, don't look back. No! Dang it! Skill. Okay. I don't know what buttons to chat. I forgot. Let's take a buggy. Let's pro drive this to a place where we should. Let's go to B or G. Is that? I don't know what that is. I think it's G. That's G because we already have B. No, we don't. Okay. Pardon me, tree. Okay. Oh my God! Run! Done. Done. Ooh, friend. Friend. Stuff your button here. No? Thank you. Let's go. You're lucky I'm a nice guy, Doctor. There's a lot of roadblocks here. Where? Okay, mister. Now that we are dead, but alive. Let's do this. Oh jeez, that's a tank. Give me undercover! Undercover! I'm jittering. Okay, let's take some cover. Okay. Show yourselves. Come on, guys. This is what you've been training for. Your entire lives. Get out of here, you weirdo! Dang it. I saw that coming, you know? He was a suicide bomb, but he bombed me, not suicidally. Thank you for taking this opportunity of mine. For being awesome. That was not a compliment. Kill! Long range! Okay. I'm definitely not the best at this game. Not at all. Let's do this. It's lag like crap. Be scared. Be scared, mate. Ow! Okay. Yes, thank you. I knew I was getting cocky. It was a little bit of an extreme way of showing me, though. Could have been nice about it. Oh my god, I gotta go to the bathroom like real bad right now. Ooh, I can do this. Wait a second. Parking. Okay. Let's do this. Hey, friend. We got C4s. Let's attack a tank. This is a suicide bomb. But it's a right. It's a right that I have. I can bomb anything I want when I have a C4. Where'd he go? He's gone. Thank God. Ow! Jeez. Okay. He's gone. Oh man, I'm jittering. Hopefully no one gets inside me. Ooh wee! Where? East? Let's go. Let's lag my way over. I don't see it. Ow! Hey! Watch your pointing that. No, I have C4s on this thing. I'm a very dangerous man. Tank on inbound. I got 2 bombs on me. Destiny! No! Oh no! 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 That was... No! Dang it. Dang it. How about this? Just go to the top of this building. Snipper. Everything. That sounded like a game. Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking crap my pants. Okay. I feel great right now. I'm getting snippered. Go, 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 go. Oh jeez! Go, 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 go! Dang it. How is he hitting me from that far away? Oh my god. It's cheating. This is cheating. This is a cheating. Cheapo. Okay, let's do this. Charge! All troops go to A or B or whichever one you want. Oh jeez. This is called survival! Dang it. Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay. Okay, I guess. Let's take this. Fire! Dang it. No, come back here. Show yourself. Immediately. That was not the question. That was more of an answer. Stop going back into that mode. Oh my god, I'm jittering. Pro statusing it. Okay. Let's just take out a heli. Don't you dare touch me there. That is really close. Oh, I have a friend. Hooray. I have a buddy. Eat it. Let's take him on. Totally freaking pummel this guy. Bail! Bail! Survive! Hey, friend. Ow, jeez! Dang! Why are there even wheels there? That was a helicopter! They ain't need no wheels. It's a ghost. It's a ghosty copter. Man. I don't want any part of that ghost copter. Die, you piece of crap. Okay, let's do this. Spray! Spray and pray! Let me out, my god. Oh my god, I'm frozen. I need a medic. Repeat. Medic. I need a medic! I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay. Medic. I'm still alive. Jeez. Get sniper. Where'd he go?
Objective Charlie.
No, that's good. I'm frozen. I should have restarted my computer. Show yourselves. Ow! Dang it. I don't know what to do. Just finish this game, I guess. Okay, let's do this. Skill. Still paying the bills. Okay. Done. Worst shot ever. Can't even hit him. Okay, I can hit that guy. Damn it. Stand still! What's your life? Crawl away! Crawl away! Stay still. It's just fire. You can survive. You can survive the fire. Oh, I got the service star. Okay, let's do this. Explosions. And death. Okay, okay. Probably not gonna finish this round, guys. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish this round. Come close. Where'd that guy? I'm just gonna let you fun. Heck. Doctor. Eat it. Okay. That was a headshot. Good one, too. Don't touch me there. That would be a bad boy. Okay. Let's do this. Let's win. We're getting pummeled right now. Ouch. Okay, guys. I'm gonna pause it here. Be right back. Guys, I'm back. Better than ever. Just went to the bathroom. Hey, yeah, I should restart my computer. I'm lagging like crap. That seems like a plane floating down Doesn't seem like there's a driver in there. Oh wow, we lost F and that time was gone. It's only like 2 seconds. I'm getting pwned right now. Let's do this. Okay, hey, show yourself. I saw you there. Close it. Close the other side. Yes. Nothing here. Darn. That was pretty pathetic on my part. He was right in front of me. Right in front. Take out. What should we take out? Okay. It's not that thing. How about F? F seems to be being pummeled by everything. Oh yeah, skill. Landed that one perfectly. No damage done. Ooh. Hey, dude. Goodbye. Ah, he doesn't know me. You're the dog. Ow. Yeah, there does appear. It's pretty obvious. Is that thing facing backwards? Hey, friend! Hey! Ow. Got 2 kills. I suck. I feel accomplished. 2 mesmerizing kills. Mesmerizable. Thank you for telling me. Don't do that. Aw, dang it. Oh, jeez. Backwards! From the back! Is there anyone even in my squad? What? Search violent for all our servers. Why violent? Why would we search that? Isn't that a little overwhelming? Let's just search violent! Because that's smart. Let's go to violent places. Why not just go to like a snack shack? Or barbecue? Jeez. Okay, let's do skill! Hey friend, please don't kill me at the time of need. Thank you. I'm awesome. No, I missed. And he killed me with a pistol. I'm embarrassed now. That was awesome. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. I'm gonna do something. Customize. It's customize. Customize weapon. Weapon. And let's go to standard. Barrel. What do I have there? Suppressor. Dang it. The content iron sight. Even using a skill. Okay. I don't care. Good. Tank. Where are you? There was a guy taking his place, wasn't there? If destiny takes in. Hey, friend. Hey. Very dangerous, man. Very dangerous. Cool, another ribbon. Okay. Oh my god. Propeller survived. The rest of the helicopter didn't. The tail end. Da 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 da. Okay, guys. Well, I said I wasn't gonna finish the whole round. I think we're gonna end it in my next kill or death. Whichever comes first. Okay. After this death, there's gonna be one more, unless we get a kill on this life. If we get a kill on this life, then we will just leave. Yeah, I see you. Don't think I don't see you. Sir, do not die. That'd be illogical and stupid. Stop that. Okay. Oh, hey friend. Frick. I have to. I didn't want to do this. Did I even plant it? I don't think I even planted it. Dark. Okay. Let's go. Right here we got. Let's test the area. Hey friend. Shut up. No one cares. Headshot. Okay, now if I die, I'm leaving. Oh, hey friend. Land, please. I want to kill you. So be it. Oh my god. Run around like a boss. Everybody wants to. Only have rockets. I'm taking. I'm making a team win it. I am awesome. Other than most things. Other than like everything in the world. I do this thing everybody wants to be me. Shooting in the sky, there's a guy with the tank thing. I'm gonna win the game with my life. Oh jeez. That guy just exploded. Run. Hey, you just came out of this. Well, I don't know. Goodbye, friends. Do you want to get? No? Okay, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. I don't care. Don't care. Ooh, flipping out. Oh, jeez. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed this maximum life and death version of Battlefield. Alone, lonely loner. Alone. Okay. Goodbye, guys. See you next time.